Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on number sentences. Number sentences in mathematics will sometimes ask you to find an unknown number. This number may be in the form of a symbol such as a circle, triangle, square, and so on. As you progress through your school years, the unknown numbers will be represented by letters of the alphabet. For now, we will use symbols. For each of the following examples, find the value of the unknown symbol. Example 1. Find the value of the square if the square plus 1 equals 5. Ask the question, what do we need to add to 1 to get 5? The answer, the square equals 4, because 4 plus 1 equals 5. Example 2. Find the value of the circle if the circle plus 3 equals 9. What do we need to add to 3 to get 9? The answer, the circle equals 6, because 6 plus 3 equals 9. Example 3. Find the value of the triangle if triangle plus 10 equals 18. What do we need to add to 10 to get 18? The answer, the triangle must be 8, because 8 plus 10 equals 18. Example 4. Find the value of the star if star minus 7 equals 12. If we start with a number and subtract 7 from it, we get 12. What is the number? Well, the star must be 12 plus 7, so the star must be 19. Now let's check the answer. Put 19 for the star. 19 take away 7 equals 12, so the answer is true. Example 5. Find the value of the square if 7 times the square equals 28. If we start with a number and that number there, so we don't know what that number is, and multiply it by 7, we get 28. What is the number? So 7 times the square equals 28, so the square must be 28 divided by 7, so the square must be 4. Let's check the answer. 7 times 4 equals 28, and that's true. So you know that from your times tables. Example 6. Find the value of the heart if heart divided by 8 equals 5. If we start with a number and divide it by 8, we get 5. What is the number? Well, the answer, the heart must be 5 times 8, so the heart is 40. Now, we have to check the answer. 40 divided by 8 equals 5, and that's true. Example 7. Find the value of the sun if 25 minus the sun equals 9. If I start with 25 and subtract a certain number, the answer is 9. What was the certain number that was subtracted? So the star has to be 25 minus 9, it has to be 16. Check the answer. 25 minus 16 equals 9, and that's true. So in this exercise, if you know your tables well, and you can add and subtract simple digits together, you shouldn't have much trouble at all.